Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name is Siti Zulaiha Ardahu Tagalung, and here I wanna retell about the video that my lecturer have sent several days ago. This video with the title "Successful Communication in a Culturally Diverse Workplace." And this video explains how to communicate effectively when working with people from different cultural backgrounds. It emphasizes the understanding and respecting cultural differences is essential for good communication. The video offers four main tips. The first, use clear and simple language, avoiding jargon, slang, or expressions that might not be understood by everyone. The second, be aware of nonverbal communication, such as body language, personal space, and gestures. The third, to avoid misunderstandings, paraphrase or repeat what you hear to ensure have understood correctly. And the last, be open and inclusive toward other cultures by getting to know colleagues from different backgrounds. Building these relationships help improve communication and teamwork. The main message of that video is that effective communication is in a culturally diverse environment requires sensitivity and a willingness to learn about others. The better you understand different cultures, the more successful your communication will be in a diverse workplace. Well, guys, that's all from me. See you.